Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cloud Immersive YouTube channel. Next up in our Power Automate series, I'm going to show you how to convert a rasterized PDF document to a DocX format. Rasterized PDFs are just image-based PDFs, so essentially this means they're high-quality screenshots of a text-based PDF. To be clear, this operation will not make the rasterized text editable within Word, but it will move the text image into a Word document where the image can be resized and manipulated however you want. Let's get started. From the Power Automate homepage, click on Create to get started, and then select the Instant Cloud Flow option. Once you click on that, give your flow a name, select Manually Trigger a Flow, and then click Create at the bottom to begin designing. On the Flow Design page, click New Step to get started. To get the rasterized PDF file, first type Get File Content into the Operations search bar, and then select the option that aligns with the application your file lives in. My file lives in a SharePoint folder, so I'm selecting the SharePoint option and clicking on my company's site address. To get your file, follow the folder path by clicking on the folder icon to the right of the file identifier search bar. Once selected, it will populate the search bar with your file's unique identifier. Once you're ready, click New Step again, and this time search for Cloud Immersive in the Operations search bar. Select the document conversion connector with the green logo from the options below. If it's your first time using this connector, you'll receive a prompt at this point to add your connection name and include your Cloud Immersive API key. You can get a key by visiting our website, www.cloudimmersive.com, and creating a free account. Once those details are entered, your information will save for the next use, as mine has, and you'll jump straight to the Actions list. In the Actions search bar, just type Rasterized to easily filter your search to the right action and then select it. Once you're ready, fill in the first parameter by selecting the Input File search bar and selecting File Content from the Dynamic Content window. This will pull the file information from the previous step. Then, copy the file's unique identifier from the previous step into the second input file search bar. After that, you can move on to the last step in the flow. Click New Step again, and this time type Create File into the search bar. This time, select the option that aligns with the application your new file will live in. Mine is going right back to SharePoint for the sake of simplicity, so I'm selecting that option once again and then defining my site address. Next, you'll need to determine the new folder path, name, and content for the new file. Use the folder icon again to navigate to the right folder, and then give your file a name with the file extension DocX at the end. Then, select the Dynamic Content option, Output Content, to ensure the file contains the conversion. Now you're all done designing the flow. Click Save at the bottom and wait for your flow to completely save before beginning the testing process. Click Test in the upper right corner and select the option to run your tests manually. Then, click Test at the bottom, followed by Continue and then Run Flow. Once the flow is tested successfully, you'll see nice, friendly green check marks on each operation. Any errors are typically found within seconds and will be displayed clearly on the right side of the page for your reference. The final step to ensure the flow worked is checking the file's destination folder. As you can see here, I now have a DocX with the name I specified that contains an image with the rasterized PDF text.